What's up guys, me Boss here, and today we'll be playing you some FIFA 15 Ultimate Team. Yep, that was just husky. That was so husky. Come on.
EA Sports.
So it's my club, guys, and my club is pretty sick. Actually, I'll do skill games for you guys, just for you guys. Select player. Select your player. Wait. I think you're wrong. I think you're wrong. I think you're wrong. You're wrong. There we go. I don't want the volume to be too high. Let's see. What's that? These players are so loud for me. Dum 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 dum. They try not to miss too many gates. Keep in mind turns we're sprinting. Alright, okay, I get you. Oh yeah guys, it's finish the call before player cuts out. Come on, why is this taking forever? Come on, there we go guys. What was that noise? We're going now. Holy moly, okay. Look at Raphael, man. Oh, sheesh. I don't care. Yeah, man. So, yeah, guys, peace.